Hello, my name's Lee and I made an art attack by stretching a picture out of a magazine.
My name's James and I've got a picture of a vintage car, cut it into strips and filled in between.
My name is Elizabeth. I chose a picture of a snow tiger, cut it into strips and shaded the area in between the strips.
They're good art attacks, creating sort of stretched pictures by bridging the gaps. This is how you do it. Take a magazine picture that's got lots of different colours in it. Now, this is no good because it's only got shades of blue. That's a good picture, lots of different colours, all in blocks. But look at that. I think that's the art attack presenter of the future. Different colours in there, all in blocks, and you'll see why that's important in a minute. Simply cut your picture into strips and stick them down onto a piece of paper, leaving gaps between the strips. And then it's a case of bridging those gaps with colour. Now, you need to find colours that match the edge of these strips. Look, there's a nice blue there, so I'm taking this blue felt tip pen and I'm simply bridging that gap and going across to the other strip that's also got blue in it. And I think we'll go for this vivid pink next. Look at that. Just taking it across there. And you can do wiggly lines if you want. And I'm using felt tip pen here, but you can use paint or wax crayon. And just go over the whole of the picture, completing it, bridging the gap using colours that match the edge of the strips. And when it's finished, it will look something like this. Or if you want to make it look really jazzy, try arranging the cut strips in a sort of wave pattern. And then bridge the gaps using colours that match the edge of those strips. Try it yourself. Cut a colourful picture into strips, stick it down flat, and bridge the gaps to stretch the picture. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!